Everyone has a chance for success, especially in OnPassive. People often handle life as they do bad weather. They while away the time waiting for it to stop, yet the tide of opportunity comes to everyone. Opportunity knocks all the time, but if you got to be ready for it. When your chance comes, you must have the equipment to take advantage of it. The race is not to the swift, or the battle to the strong, for time and chance happens to everyone. Take a second look at what appears to be someone's good luck. You'll find not luck, but preparation, planning, and success-producing thinking. When you're prepared for opportunity, your chance for success is sure to come. The season of failure is the best time for sowing the seeds of success. Decide that this year will be your year for success and prepare for it to happen. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.